In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Schema Builder in Salesforce Lightning. If you're working in Salesforce and need a quick visual way to understand your data model, Schema Builder is your best friend. It displays objects, fields, and relationships in one place, so you can see how everything connects without digging through multiple pages. Let's keep this simple and efficient. First, look to the top right corner of your Salesforce Lightning screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is your gateway to all the configuration tools. Go ahead and click that gear icon, and then select the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can find all of Salesforce's setup tools. Depending on your org's wording, the label might look slightly different, but the idea is that you're opening the setup area from the gear icon. Once you're in setup, you'll notice a search box on the left side. This is often called the Quick Find search. Click into that search field, type Schema Builder, and then select it from the search results. That's all you need to do. Salesforce will load the Schema Builder workspace in the main window. And there you go. You're now inside Schema Builder. From here, you'll see a canvas with your objects and their relationships represented visually. You can zoom in and out, drag the canvas to explore, and filter which objects appear to reduce clutter. This view helps you quickly spot how lookups and master detail relationships tie your data together. If you're planning changes, use this space to plan out the structure before making updates elsewhere. It's also a great way to communicate your data model to teammates who prefer visuals over long lists. A couple of quick tips to make the most of it. If Schema Builder doesn't appear in search, you might not have the right permissions, so check with your Salesforce admin. Also, if your org has a lot of custom objects, consider filtering to just the ones you need to keep things responsive and easy to navigate. And as a best practice, review your data model in a sandbox when you're exploring changes, then move those changes through your normal deployment process. To recap, click the gear icon at the top right and select Open Advanced Setup, then search for Schema Builder and select it. That's all it takes to get in and start exploring your data model visually. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building smarter in Salesforce Lightning.